Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel SAP Formula. In last class, we saw O2C cycle, that is order to cash cycle. Whenever a customer places order in backend, what are the scenarios that takes place we have seen theoretically. So whenever a customer places order, this order will be transferred to MRP. After running MRP, we will check the stock of finished goods. If finished goods are there, then only this order gets confirmed, then we will deliver the goods to customer. If the stock of finished goods is not available, then system will check the stock of raw materials. If raw materials are there, we will start doing production. After production, we will do quality check. Once the quality check is passed, then only we will sell these goods to customer. If the stock of raw material is not available, then system automatically will generate purchase requisition. This purchase requisition will be converted to purchase order, and this purchase order will be sent to vendor. After sending this purchase order to vendor, vendor will supply the raw materials. When we receive the raw materials, we will perform MyGo. Then this after the raw materials is available, we will start doing production. Then similarly, we will pass the quality check. Then we will sell the goods to customers. So this is the O2C cycle process. And also I've explained you the standard business process. First is inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, and invoice. So this is the standard process. Sometimes we call this as forward cycle. Okay, we call it forward cycle. We create quotation with respect to inquiry. We create sales order with respect to quotation. We create delivery with respect to sales order, and we create invoice with respect to delivery. In today's class, let us see how to create inquiry. If you have seen my last video, I have posted 20 plus business process with standard document types. I have also posted what is a transaction codes. Okay, VA11, VA21. These are the transaction codes to create, you know, create a respective document, I can say. Okay, so first let us see how we can create inquiry in SAP. The transaction code is V11, or we can navigate through path. Okay, we can navigate through path. Go to SAP Easy Access. Now go to logistics, go to sales and distribution module, and you can see sales here. Go to sales, then go to orders. Sorry, then go to one inquiry. Okay, go to inquiry. You can see VA11. So we can navigate through path, or we can directly enter the transaction code VA11. Okay, so what is the standard document type for inquiry? IN is a standard document type. Okay, I will enter IN. Okay, I will enter IN. Now go inside. System will ask what is the sold to party. Now give the sold to party. Okay. Now what is the material? So just give. So I am taking already created material. I will take 1000 quantity. I will take 1000 quantity. Here you can see what is the price. The price has been fetched. Remember, if the price has been fetched in, say, in inquiry, it means that pricing procedure has been determined. Okay, if you see here, the pricing procedure has been determined. How pricing procedure will be determined? Pricing procedure will be determined with the combination of sales area. What is customer sales area? Z0, ZZ01, ZW, and ZL. So I will note down here ZZ01 and ZW and ZL. And what is a document pricing procedure? Like I told, each document type will have its own document pricing procedure. And to see document pricing procedure, you have to go to /OVOV8. Okay. If you go to VOV8, and what is the document type? IN. If you go to IN, you can see document pricing procedure as A. So I can say the document pricing procedure is A, and customer pricing procedure. So to view customer pricing procedure, go to /NXD02. And what is the customer? So this is the customer. We look wholesaler. And what is the sales area? ZZ01, ZW, and ZL. If you go inside, if you go to sales area data, and if you go to sales tab, you can see document pricing procedure is 1. Okay. Based on this, the pricing procedure will be determined. Now to see what is the pricing procedure, you have to go to /NOVVK. Okay. Sorry. /NO OVKK. Okay, slash n ovkk. Now go to position. What is the sales area? ZZ01, distribution channel ZW, division ZL, document pricing procedure A, customer pricing procedure 1. Now click enter. You can see what is a standard pricing procedure. Okay, RVAA01 is a standard pricing procedure for these sales area, document pricing procedure, customer pricing procedure combination. Okay, so hope you got how this pricing procedure will be determined in each document type. Okay, now go to edit, check the incompletion log. Okay, system is telling that document is complete and you can save it. Remember these enquiry. So what do you mean by enquiry? So whenever, okay, note down, whenever any customer enquiry about this product, we will create enquiry document in SAP. See, now I'm saving this. I'm saving this. See, enquiry has been saved. Now this number is a document. I can say enquiry document. Now, what is the change mode? Slash n VA12 is a transaction code to change the enquiry. Now click enter. So I'm repeating once again. Whenever customer, so who is a customer? Willow wholesaler is a customer. So whenever customer enquiry about the product, what is the product? Aloe vera juice 1 liter is the product, and he is enquiring about for 1000 quantity. Okay. So whenever a customer inquiries about the product, we will create enquiry document in SAP. These enquiry document is an internal document. What do you mean by internal document? It is for internal purpose, that's all. Okay, it is for company's purpose only, and we do not send these document to customer. Okay, we are not sending this document to customer. This is just for company's purpose. In future, company will call them and they will ask, sir, you have inquired about this product. Do you want this product? They start keep on calling you. Okay, for example, like walk in. Okay, you will go to some Reliance Digital store. Okay, just assume you're going to Reliance Digital store. You're inquiring about one laptop. Now, what the sales team will do? Sales team will collect your phone number, your email ID, so that they will keep calling you and they will tell you, sir, this is the discount we are offering. Okay, so they won't send these document to customer. This is just for company purpose. That's all, for future reference purpose. That's all. Okay, so hope you got the understanding of enquiry. Okay, this screen is similar to sales order only. Okay, we have all the data here. Okay, what is the pricing? Today is 28. So on today's date, what is the price of this aloe vera juice? So if you go inside and if you go to condition tab, you can see the price of 1 liter of aloe vera juice is 250 rupees. 250 rupees. Okay, so 250 into 1000 quantity is this total amount. So VK11 is a transaction code to create, the base price of a particular material. So we will see all these in detail in coming classes. So this is all about enquiry. Okay. Now what happens? Quotation. So now we have created the enquiry. So I'll copy this and I will go to Excel sheet and I will paste here. Okay. I will paste here. So we have created the enquiry document, Control V. Okay, this is our enquiry document. Now let us see what is quotation. Okay, quotation. What is the transaction code to create quotation? Slash NVA21 is the transaction code to create quotation, or we have path also. Okay, we have path also. Same path. Okay, go to sales and distribution module, go to sales, and we have quotation. VA21 is a create, VA22 is change, and VA23 is display. Now click on VA21. And what is the standard document type for quotation? Standard document type for quotation is QT. Okay, QT. So I will type QT. So QT. Okay. So we have something called create with reference. If you click on create with reference and if you give enquiry document, okay, give the enquiry document. What is the enquiry document? So this is the enquiry document. I will copy this. I will paste it here and I will click copy. You can see all the data. You can see all the data from, okay, all the data from enquiry has been copied to quotation. Now, what do you mean by quotation? This quotation is an external document. What do you mean by external document? It means that we will send it to customer. Okay. Quotation is a legal document, and the quotation document consisting of customer information. We have customer information, we have material information, we have pricing information. This is the price. Okay. So now what company will do? Company will come. So after, company will come to a one conclusion saying that this customer is buying, 1,000 products. Instead of selling for 250 rupees, we will sell for 240 rupees. Now, in quotation, we will mention that we will sell 240 rupees for this particular customer who is a willow wholesaler. He's a wholesaler, no? So I'm selling for 240 rupees. Now, after creating quotation, like I told, we will send this quotation to customer, and we will send these quotation to email. Okay, we will send an email, or we will send a printout, or we will fax. If the customer is satisfied with this quotation, okay, the company is sending quotation to the customer, and the company is saying that we will sell for 240 rupees per liter. Okay, what is a okay? This is in pack, right? So I will change it to liter. I will change it to liter. Okay, I am changing it to liter. So what I am telling to system, I am telling I am giving quotation to customer saying that I will sell for 240 rupees per liter. Okay, per liter I'm selling for 240 rupees. Now this quotation it consisting of validity period from when it is valid and valid to. Now if I go to edit and if I check incompletion log, see document is complete but still you have to give what is valid from and valid to. I am telling to customer that this quotation is valid to today to next month 31st. After 31st, this quotation will expire and we cannot sell these product for 240 rupees. So that is the importance of valid from and valid to date. Okay. Give valid from and valid to date. Go to edit mode and click on incompletion log. Incompletion log. Document is complete. Now if you double click on this, okay, go to header data. So go to header data. If you go to header data and if you see sales tab, you can see pricing procedure RVAA01. Okay, same logic. This is the sales area. This is the document type QT. Okay, so when this document was created, all these things you should observe as a functional consultant. You should observe what are the fields that is being filled. Okay, all these things you can see. So this is about quotation. Okay. Now, like I told, go to edit, go to incompletion log. System is document is complete. For example, I will remove payment terms. See, all this data is coming from the enquiry. Okay. Now go to edit, go to incompletion log. System will say that payment terms is missing. Okay. Now click this line item, go to complete data. Now give payment terms as, for example, 0001. Pay immediately. Now one step come back. Okay, one step come back. Okay, it has went to line item. Okay, give payment terms. Okay, give payment terms. Click on edit. In completion log. See, document is complete. Now you can save this document. Okay. Now these document we will send it to customer. Now slash n VA22. Okay. Now I'll copy this quotation. Control C, and I will paste it here. So what we did, we created quotation with respect to inquiry. Now let us create sales order with respect to quotation. Now what is the transaction code? Slash and BA01 is a transaction code, or we can navigate through SAP Easy Access. Okay. Same path, you have order here. Okay. Click on order, go to VA01. Now what is the order type? Order type is OR, standard order type. So if you see this Excel sheet, what is the standard order type? OR is a standard order type. Now I will click on create with reference. Now what is the quotation? Quotation number. So go to the Excel sheet and I will copy the quotation, Control C, and I will paste here quotation. See, you can see quotation tab. Okay, this is a quotation tab. Now click on copy. See, all the data, click on complete delivery. All the data from quotation has been copied. See, I forgot to mention one point, that is if the customer is satisfied with the quotation, so usually what we will do, we will send the quotation to customer. If the customer is satisfied with the quotation, customer will send purchase order, and with respect to purchase order, we will create sales order. Now that PO number we will mention it. For example, PO 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a PO number. So this is the PO which is sent by the customer, and we will create these sales order with reference to this PO number. Okay. See, we are taking quotation number with reference to quotation we are creating, but this is our PO. This is the PO sent by the customer. Okay. So this will help us to identify with respect to what PO number we are creating this order. Now all the data has been copied here. Okay, if you go to see, even the price also, if I go to condition tab, the price is 240 rupees. The price is 240 rupees. Now come back. See, all this information will be copied from inquiry to quotation, and from quotation to sales order. Now, this sales order, what do you mean by sales order? Sales order is an agreement. Okay, it is an agreement between the company and the customer for supplying the goods, for supplying 1000 liter of aloe vera juice. It is an agreement. Company is making an agreement with the customer saying that we will deliver 1000 liter aloe vera juice with price 240 rupees. Now, sales order. So, what does sales order consist? Sales order consisting of customer master data, material master data, what is a PO number, and PO date. So, you can give what is a PO date. Okay. So, I'm giving PO date as today. For example, I'm giving today as a PO date. Okay. And what is the pricing, and what is the delivery quantity, what is the payment terms. Okay, what is the payment terms? And so all these things will be stored in sales order. So whenever we create sales order, system will perform various activities. Okay, now I will save this. So go to edit, go to incompletion log. So the purchase order date lies in the future, please check. Okay, so it lies in the future. Okay, I'll click on F4. So I will select today's date. Today is 28, right? So 28, I will select 28. Click on enter. System says document is complete, and I will save this. Okay. So document has been saved. Now slash NVA02. Now I will copy this sales order. Okay. I will copy this sales order, and I will paste in this screen. So now what we did, we created sales order now with respect to quotation. With respect to quotation. Now, what we will do, we will create a delivery. Okay, we will create delivery with respect to sales order. What is the transaction code to create delivery? Slash n VL01N is a T code to create delivery. Or sometimes what people will do, slash n VA02. Go to VA02. Now, click on enter. Click on enter. See the delivery dates here. Okay, go to schedule line category. You can see delivery date is 07/08/2024. Okay, 7th of August. Now, what is the shipping point? Sorry, double click on this. Double click on this. Go to shipping point. Automatic Z1 AU. So we can go directly from here. So create delivery. So now one step come back. Now change the 07th of August. So change the selection date as the 7th of August. Click on enter. Now, so this is the delivery screen. Okay, this is the delivery screen. Okay, there are certain things that you need to know. So in delivery, we have three activities. So, okay, I will write in Excel sheet. I will write in Excel sheet. Okay. Now, what I will do, I will increase this font size. So we have three activities while performing delivery. Okay, we have three activities while performing delivery. So else before that, what I will do, okay, I will do. So whenever we create, sales order, certain activities will happen in the backend. Okay. So whenever we create sales order, certain activities will perform in the backend. What are those activities? This is an interview question. Okay. First one is partner determination function. Okay, one second. First one is partner determination function. Okay, I will just write PDP, partner determination function. First one is partner determination function. Second one is listing or exclusion. Okay, we will see all this listing and exclusion. Okay, listing and exclusion. We saw partner determination function, no, in our last class, account groups and partner determination function. Now, third one is material determination. Material determination. And fourth one is free goods. Fourth one is free goods. Fifth one, delivery scheduling. Delivery scheduling. We saw this concept, right? Delivery schedule. See, I will go to slash and VA02. If I go to VA02, I will go inside. I will double click on this. Now, if you go to partners, you can see partner determination procedure. So whenever you create a sales order in the backend system will perform partner termination procedure, and second one is a delivery doc. So delivery dates. So you can see these are the delivery dates. Since we don't have listing and listing material determination and free goods now, so in future classes we will see these concepts. Okay, these are important concepts. Now sixth one, what is sixth one? Sixth one is availability check. AVAILABI, availability check. Okay, whether the stock is there or not, system will check availability check. Now pricing. Okay, sorry, seventh one is pricing. Okay, we saw this pricing, no? If you go to condition tab, system has performed this pricing. Okay, this is the pricing. So what is eighth one? Eighth one is these data will be updated into credit management. Okay, credit management, important concept, credit management. And ninth one, okay, ninth one we have text determination, text text determination. And tenth one we have output determination. Okay, output determination. And 11th one, we have transfer of transfer of requirement. See, these 11 process will be executed whenever you save the sales order or whenever you create the sales order. So we saw part termination function, we saw pricing, we saw availability check, we saw delivery scheduling. So what and other process we will see later. Okay, now it is too early to discuss, but for now you understand this part termination function, this pricing, delivery dates. Okay, delivery dates. So all this will happen in the backend. Okay, now let us create delivery. So like I told, in delivery we have three process. Okay, so whenever we create delivery, we have three process. So what is first one? So first one we have picking. First one we have picking. What do you mean by picking? See, now I'll create one delivery. Slash n VL01 and is a transaction code. Now click enter. See, now go to picking tab. Now go to picking tab. Now from which storage location I have to pick this? Now click F4 ZZ1F. ZZ1F and how much I should deliver. Okay, how much I should deliver? I should deliver 1000 quantity. Enter 1000 quantity. Only 0 liter of material is available in this. So now what I'll go to slash OMMP is a transaction code to check the stocks. Okay, what is the material? So this is the material. Control C, Control V. What is the plant is ZZ01. And what is the storage location? Storage location is ZZ1F. So this is the transaction code to check how much stock is there in this particular combination I will execute. Okay, the zero stock is there. So I will post the stock. Slash n MB1 is a transaction in ECC to post the stock. Now moment type is 561. 561 is the plant, is the storage location. Click enter. Now what is the material? So this is the material 42, right? sorry, 24. Control C. I will paste the material. Control V. Control Control V. Now 2000 quantity I will post. 2000 quantity. Click enter and save it. Okay. Now go to slash nmmbe. Okay. Now execute. Sorry, give the material 24. Now execute. See, 2000 quantity has been reserved for this particular client and storage location. Now I will create delivery. Go to slash nvl01n. Okay, click enter. See, the screen says that click on no. See, this screen says that from what is the shipping point, in which shipping point the truck has to go, on which date, and for which order we have to load the goods into the truck. So this screen explains in detail saying that to which shipping point, what is shipping point? It is a place where we load the goods into the truck. So at which shipping point the truck has to go, on which date it has to go, and for which order they have to load the goods into the truck. Click enter. Now go to picking tab. So like I told what we do. So first we will do picking. So how much we need to pick? We have to pick from this storage location of 1000 quantity. Okay, enter the picked quantity. Enter the picked quantity, 1000 quantity. Okay, so we have, so first one is picking. So after creating delivery, so now I will save this. Now I will save this. Now one delivery document has been created. So I will copy this. Okay, I'll copy this Control C and I will paste here. Go to this sheet and I'm creating delivery with respect to sales order. Control V. So this is the delivery number. So now what will happen? Okay, this is very important. So after creating delivery, we will take the printout of this delivery. Okay, we will take the printout of this delivery. So for example, I will go inside. Uh, okay, slash n bl02n bl02n. Click on enter. Now go to extras, delivery output, header. Okay. So since some configuration is missing, so I think now we can't see what is the delivery. Okay. We cannot see what is the print that we get. For example, I will just, okay. So now not required. We'll see. See how the printout will be there. So after configuration, we will see how the printout looks. For example, uh, delivery document printout. Okay. So like this, the printout will be there. Okay. So we will take the printout. So we will take the printout and we will give it to user. Okay. We will give it to user. So what user will do? User will go to storage location. Okay. So what user will do? User will go to storage location like this. Okay. So the user will have this, the user will have the delivery document printout. In the delivery document, we will have what is the material to be picked, how much material to be picked. Each and every information will be stored in this particular printout. Now the user will go to storage location. He will pick the goods from the storage location. After picking the goods, he will send it to packing team. Okay, he will send it to packing team. Now what packing team will do? Packing team will pack the goods. So once the packing is done, the packing team will send these packed materials to shipping point. What is shipping point? It is a place where we load the goods into the truck. Okay. Now I will go to delivery screen. Okay. So how much pick they have picked 1000. Okay. They have picked 1000 quantity and they have packed it. Now they will send it to shipping point. Now once the goods reaches to the shipping point, one user will go and will check the incompleteness. Okay. List contains no data. So after loading all the goods into the truck, the user will click on post goods issue. Okay, see, document has been created. Now, if you click enter, this post goods issue is disabled because what is post goods issue? See, delivery means, see, once we create delivery in SAP, it means that the stock is inside the plant only. But when we create, but when we click on post goods issue, it means that we have loaded the goods into the truck and the truck has left the plant. So, which means that we don't have, see now I'll go to MMBE screen. So this is the MMBE screen. Now if I refresh, see now we have 2000, no? Now if I refresh, you can see 1000 quantity. See 1000 quantity. So 1000 quantity has left the plant. So that is the meaning of post goods issue. Okay, so this is all about delivery, creating delivery and picking, packing. So here what I will do, what is the next two steps I discussed? One is picking, second one is packing. Second one is packing. Third one is post goods issue, or I can say PGI, post goods issue. These three operations will be taken place while creating delivery. See, while creating sales order, these are the multiple scenarios that will run in the backend. Similarly, when we create a delivery, okay, these are the three business pro. So now what I will do, I will take this as A, B, C. So similarly, whenever we create delivery, certain things happen in the backend. First one is stock update. Just now we saw no stock update. 1000 stock has been deducted. Now what is the second one? Inventory accounting document will be generated. Very important. In interview with they will ask, what is inventory accounting document? Inventory accounting document will be generated, and the document is cost of goods sold. In short, we call COGS, COGS, COGS. Cost of goods sold account, account debit, okay, account debit to inventory, inventory account credit. Okay, remember this. In interview, they will ask what is the inventory accounting document that generates whenever we create delivery in SAP. Third one is it will update in document flow. It will update in document flow. So what do you mean by document flow? See now suppose I'll go to slash and VL03N is a T code to display. Now click on enter. I think it time out. Now I'll go to transaction slash and VL03N is a transaction code for displayed document number. So this is the delivery document number which we created. So you can see here document flow. If you click on document flow, system gives each and every information. Okay, I am creating this delivery from a particular standard order, and I have created this order from quotation, and I created this quotation from inquiry, and these delivery document has been picking request is done and post goods issue is also done. So this is the definition or meaning of it updates in document flow. Okay, it updates in document flow. So what is the fourth one? It will also update in credit management. Okay, it will also update in credit management. We will see credit management in detail because it takes a lot of time. Now it updates in LIS report. It updates in LIS, LIS report. Okay, so hope you understood how we create. So whenever we create a sales order in the backend, what are the activities that will take place? And whenever we create delivery, what are the things that happen in the backend? And this delivery is of three parts. One is picking, we will pack it. After packing, we will send it to shipping point. At shipping point, we will do post goods issue. Okay, now let us create invoice. Okay, so if I go to this Excel sheet, so after delivery, what we have to create? We have to create invoice. Now, what is the transaction code to create invoice? Slash and VF01 is a transaction code to create invoice. Okay, now what is the delivery document? I will enter this delivery document, Control C and Control V, click on enter. See, all the data has been copied from delivery screen to invoice screen. Now, if I click on edit, okay, click on log, just see any log is there or not. No error log created. Now you can save this. Now you can save this. Okay. See, invoice has been created, but no billing documents were generated. Now go to slash and VF02. VF02. So this is the billing number that got generated. I will copy this billing number here. Control V. Okay. This is the billing number that got generated. Now I will go to SAP screen. Now, so sometimes we have to click on this release to accounting. Okay. So document saved error in accounting document. So some error is there. Let us see, later release to accounting. No, some error is there. So as of now, an invoice is generated. Okay. Click on enter. So this is a change mode of invoice. Okay. So even when we create invoice, certain things will perform in the backend. Okay. So whenever so whenever we create whenever we create invoice, certain functionalities will happen in the backend. That is revenue accounting document will generate. Okay. Revenue in you revenue accounting document will get generated. See, very important, revenue accounting document will generated. That is customer account debit to revenue account credit. Sorry, customer account debit to revenue account credit. Okay. Second one is controlling document will get generated. Controlling document will get generated. And third one is it updates in document flow. It updates in document flow. For example, if I go to this screen, click on enter. See, we have something called document display document flow. See, each and every information you can see here. Okay. Now, fourth one is it updates in LIS reports. It updates in LIS report. And fourth one is it updates in credit management. Okay. And there is one more point that it profitability analysis. Profit, not sure about the spelling. Profitability analysis document generates. And these documents will be taken by FI consultants. What is the profitability analysis? So just remember what are the things that happen in the backend whenever we create a sales order. Okay, whenever we create a sales order. So these are the things that happen in the backend. Okay. Important concept. In interview, they will ask, what are the things that you notice? So whenever you save a sales order or delivery document, okay, or delivery document. So you should be aware of all this. Okay. So in today's class, we saw how to create inquiry, how to create quotation, how to create sales order and delivery and invoice. So we call this as forward cycle. Okay. So we call this as forward cycle sometimes. Okay. This is forward cycle. Forward cycle. Okay. So that's all for today's class, guys. So in next class, let us discuss other business process you know, let us discuss these concepts, rush order, cash sale order, returns, credit memo, debit memo, invoice correction. So all these let us see in detail in next class. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in comment box. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe because it will help you to get the notification of my upcoming video. Please do like, share and comment because this video will help others also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.